Hey, Investy Besties, welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. You're having a good start to the new month. We're in March. If you're new, welcome. I'm a 40-year-old mama, wife, and worker bee. My husband and I is trying to achieve financial freedom, financial independence, all of the financial good things, right? And we hope to encourage as many of you along the way. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor or fiduciary. I'm just a simple gal on YouTube trying to document the journey to show others, to show my children that it is possible, okay? And remember, beware of scammers and fake pages. I'm only on Instagram and YouTube, okay? So I wanted to give an SCHD update. I try to do these a couple times a month. You guys really like these videos. And let me tell y'all something. My belief in SCHD has been cemented, okay, in my husband and I's investing journey. Now, I can't tell y'all what to do, but I'm telling you guys, in the past, I've gotten comments saying we should be all into the S&P 500. Why do we own SCHD? Is not growing as fast as some other funds. And I always try to tell people, number one, this is our money. We will invest our money the way we believe it will work for us. So that's one. And number two is that I'm a big fan of diversification. And when I say diversification, I'm talking about our investments and how it's allocated specifically towards funds. So I love the S&P 500 or the total stock market. You guys know we have a lot of money in VTI. If you are new, scroll back. I'm very open. I share our VTI positions as PLG positions, which is another fund that tracks like VOO. It tracks the S&P 500. I just did a video talking about our Fidelity FX AIX, which also tracks like VOO, which is the S&P 500. So we have a lot of money, not just in the S&P 500, but like in the top 10 holdings, like NVIDIA. We have a lot of money in NVIDIA, which our position is down right now, which I have to do an NVIDIA update later this month because I'm already like pre-filmed. But yeah, I still love NVIDIA. I do think it's oversold. But again, you have a lot of fear right now in the economy. The president has made it very clear that there's going to be some pain. There's going to be some pain. And, as investors, we need to make sure we are really understanding why we have what we have in our portfolio. Do not, and I repeat, do not buy a stock or buy a fund just because you hear someone on the internet tells you. You need to do your research and you need to understand why you own the funds in your portfolio. So you see a screenshot up on your screen, our current position in SCHD and Interactive Brokers, that is down. It's like we lost a lot of, I want to say lost, because loss means we sold. Our unrealized profit is just down some. But again, we're going to continue the dollar cost average. And one thing I've been loving about SCHD, and this article here really shines a light on it, and I'm always doing research and reading because that helps me to not be so fearful of what the stock market, is doing, right? And this talks about why SCHD is a no-brainer because, again, SCHD is kind of boring. Yeah, I'll be honest. It doesn't grow and it's not as sexy as, the FX AIXs and the VTIs and the VOOs. But it's simple. It's secure. It's safe. It's something that you can, that it will kind of just wade the waters. It doesn't go up too much, but it doesn't crash either. Let me show you guys something. Look at this. VTI year to date. Look at this. Year to date, it is down. VTI, the safest, most boringest ETF that I love, outside SCHD is our favorite dividend ETF. Okay. It's our favorite dividend ETF. My favorite overall just ETF period is VTI. It's probably the safest, most diverse fund you could have. It has almost 4,000 companies inside of it. Guess what? Year to date is down. Let's go over to VOO. VOO, the one everybody loves so much. Guess what? That is down year to date as well. But let's go to SCHD. Year to date. Look at this. It is up 4.40 year to date. Okay. So SCHD is a great dividend paying ETF, but also it's one that kind of can just ride the wave. And I'm understanding more and more as we get closer to our early retirement age, and just that time when we want to step back from the day job and really do our own thing, build up our own businesses. I would love to park more of our money here because the markets don't always go up. And I think a lot of investors, especially new investors, are getting that revelation right now, right? The markets don't always go up. When you start investing and it's a bull market and everything is just going up and up and up and up and everything is sunshine and rainbows, guess what? You don't have that experience of major pullbacks, which we all are experiencing right now. And in my opinion, we will actually have for a while. I would not be surprised if the year closes down negative. I want that? No, I'm an investor, but that's just being realistic. Tariffs, the economy, like I said, the president has made it very clear that we are going to be in some pain for a while. There's a lot of people getting laid off in the private and public sector. I mean, the flags are all around us. So I just wanted just to point that out, that despite all of that, we still are going. This is why we love SCHD. This is why, because it's just simple. It's safe and I don't have to stress over it. Sometimes I stress over VTI. I'm going to be honest with you. Sometimes I stress over NVIDIA. Love them, love the company, love the funds, but that's just real. SCHD, again, it doesn't grow and it's not as sexy in bull markets, but let me tell y'all, okay, in these pullbacks, look, I'm waiting on our dividend because that is like the motivator there. When I get that alert saying that dividend is pending, listen, y'all, look, all my dividend investors, y'all know what I'm talking about. So again, this author wrote about, and this is on Yahoo Finance, I'll have a link below, why SCHD is a no-brainer. If you are risk conscious, if you're looking for something, again, simple, boring, just can kind of keep the wave, ride the wave. Again, not financial advice, but I showed you our position. I'm not just telling you something. I'm showing you that we have money where our mouths is, okay? But, SCHD, like I said, it doesn't have the juicy gains. Look at that. It doesn't have the juicy gains, but also look at this. Palantir fell, this, I don't even know what Applevan, I may be saying it wrong. I haven't even heard of that. There's thousands of companies on the market, but tried and true. Just tried and true. Been around for a while. That's SCHD, and that's why I like it. And this author is also bullish on it as well. A nice dividend yield of 3.5%, a decent expense ratio. Just, I think, is well valued at the price it is right now. It's affordable. I'm actually doing a SCHD challenge in Robinhood. Let me pull that up right here. So back in October of last year, 2024, I started building up this Robinhood position from scratch with just $10 every week. Every Friday, this platform automatically invests $10 every week. So if you are of low income and you want to start investing, if you are brand new, let me back up. If you are brand spanking new, I have a beginner investing playlist, tons and tons of videos on just the basics of the stock market as well, but also talking about fractional shares. And if you are new and you want to learn and understand, check it out so that you can, have a great idea and I think a more clear idea of what investing is, the difference between investing and trading, because many people confuse the two, and why these types of markets can be game changers long term as well. And I do have an investment planner as well. I don't have it in front of me right now, but I know many of you have it. I have a direct link to a full flip through below. Okay, so you can actually watch the video where I flip through it. The next ship date is March 17th. So if you want to get your orders in, you can. And your investment planners also come with spreadsheets. Okay, so look at this. You get this spreadsheet too. See this? You can put your information in and you can stay motivated. This is another spreadsheet that you get with the investment planner so that you can put in your positions as well. And then you can track your portfolio, okay? Put in how much you invested for checking and savings and your 401k. You can track your path to 100K portfolio. So shout out to all of you who have the investment planners. Shout out to all of you who told me it motivates y'all, because that's why I put it together. I created the planner from my brain. And the physical planners are professionally printed. You get a couple of freebies. So if you want yours and you can stay motivated, it's not too late. My link is directly below. But yeah, $10 every week. And look at this. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update right here. Look at this. We have 7.46 shares just by investing $10 a week. We're almost at 10 full shares of SCHD. Look at this. And we're up. We're up in our position, barely, but a penny in the green is a penny in the green. And that means we're up 0.68%. So $10 a week while the market is crashing, we are able to, see that it does work long term. Okay. And again, back to this article. I love that this article tells you a little bit about SCHD and its strategy, right? I like having VTI in our portfolio because it's great for us to have the total stock market, right? We don't have to guess and all of that. But I also want a fund that doesn't have a lot of technology in it because tech has been taking a big hit. Like I mentioned, Nvidia, Tesla, Google, Microsoft, Apple. So I love that SCHD strategy is just tracking the top 100 companies on the market that pays a dividend. Okay, that's what I like. Okay, and if they focuses on quality and sustainability of the dividends, so I don't have to worry. Okay, will it pause or cut? Because the companies can do that. I want you guys to know that. But I don't have to worry about that. It holds 100 stocks in the top 10 holdings. Guess what? You can see right here. Move my face. AbbVie, Coca-Cola, which just increased its dividend. Coca-Cola, which we do own individually. Amgen, Cisco Systems, Pfizer, Verizon, Texas Instruments, Bristol Myers Squibb, Chevron, and Pepsi. Okay? So again, just good companies I think that are actually pretty well valued right now, especially with the pullbacks in the market. And so we're just going to continue to buy our shares and continue to just invest long term. Okay. So let me know if you are an SCHD investor, how you're making out with your portfolio. Again, this is ours right here. If you do want to open up a Robinhood account, I have a referral link down below. Doesn't cost you any money to open up an account if you want to get started. I love using Robinhood. I don't use it to trade or do options or none of that. It's been working for me, and that's just my experience with it. But yeah, my link is below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're staying motivated. My next video, I think, is the dividend income report for February, or that may be the following Monday. I only post 2 videos a week, so my video is a little bit kind of a week behind. Because I'm a busy lady over here, but it'll probably be next Monday. But anyway, stay tuned for the video coming out on Thursday. And again, guys, I want to thank you so much for your support. The dividend Q2 signups, the dividend groups, I do have a dividend group. Q2 signups are available right now, link below. Shout out to all of you that have signed up so far. I'm always excited to chat with you guys for 2 hours. We talk on Friday nights and we just hang out, right? And we just hang out once a month and, you get some freebies and it's just a great time. So if you want to join, some accountability, some motivation, information is always down below. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. The link again would be to this article will be down below. And let me know how you're doing. If you are an SCHD investor, how are you making out? Are you feeling positive about it right now? Why do you own it? And I do have a giveaway going on. If you watch my previous video, 40 financial facts, 40 money facts or something like that, check it out because the giveaway ends soon, okay? Again, guys, thank you so much. And until next time, y'all already know, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.